I've had a few clients ask about projects in QuickBooks, something I highly recommend you using. You can put all your numbers in QuickBooks, and that's great, and it'll give you your total income, it'll give you your total loss, it'll tell you if you're making money or not, but it will not tell you if you're making money per job. And if you have multiple jobs running at the same time, it can be really hard to know if that job itself is profitable without dialing in on the numbers. And the project feature in QuickBooks will help you with that. So let's get started. I created a few accounts in the chart of accounts. If any of this you need help with, please let me know. I'm happy to do so. So I created a few of them, assuming that your project has three categories. It has materials, it has labor, and then it has the cost of equipment if you're renting equipment versus owning it. So I'll just kind of show you here. So I have materials under cost of goods sold. When does it go into cost of goods sold versus an expense for your business? If you wouldn't buy it without having the job, then it goes into expenses. If you buy it exclusively for that job, then it goes into cost of goods sold. And that's how it measures the profitability of your job. So I did that for materials. Let me show you. And then I did it for labor. See, it's under cost of goods sold here. And then, yes, I even did it for equipment. And just go down here. See, it's under equipment, cost of goods sold. Okay, so now we told QuickBooks what this money is. Now we're going to go in and tell QuickBooks what we're selling. So what you want to do from here is go down to products and services. This is sample company, by the way, so I'm not using any clients' accounts. Under products and services, just click new. But okay, so now we're going to set up the products and services. So basically what we're doing is we're telling QuickBooks what we're actually selling that's going to go into our cost of good account. So you're going to click new. It's a non-inventory item. We're going to say materials. You sell this. Okay, so then under your income account here, it is not income. It is your materials for your cost of goods sold. See how that all ties together? Materials, materials, and you're going to hit save and close. And then you'll hit new again. Again, if you need help with this, please let me know. Non-inventory, and this is the equipment. And we're going to go down here, and we created that under cost of goods sold already, right? We're going to hit equipment, and then we're going to save and close. And then we're going to do service for the labor. So we'll hit labor. We'll go down here. And labor is also under cost of goods sold. We're going to save and close. Okay, so from here, we are actually ready to finally set up a project. So we're going to go down to projects. Right here. It defaults the status to in progress. If you can just change it here. You hit new project, and we decided we're going to call this Sally's house. I had already added it, but right here, when you click add new, you can add her right there. But then it creates that drop down of all the ones that all your customers. Just make sure you click the right customer. Then you can put your start date, and then you can put the end date. You can change that later. You're not locked in. For project status, make sure that says you haven't started it yet. And then click save. Oh, whoops. This was a sample from earlier, so let's change it to Sally's backyard. Which is great. I mean, it shows you, it does catch it if you've already have it in there. Okay, so we now have Sally's backyard. You see Sally here, the customer name, all the things that you need. So we have project set up.